Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day and I want to try a new way of making ocean waves. In my previous video, I used filler to create textured artwork with patterns. I find joy in creating textures in my artwork and I'm still in the process of finding the perfect mixture or medium for that. This time, I want to try putty filler to create ocean waves. I don't know what to expect from this filler as a medium for this artwork, but new experiences are good for learning new things. Here, I'm using a 50 by 70 centimeter canvas which I bought from a local store. I suggest using a palette knife with hand gloves and avoid using your hands. The filler has a smooth consistency similar to peanut butter. It is quite easy to spread but not so easy to form the waves. It looks very smooth, too smooth that I don't think I am able to achieve the texture that I'm hoping. Unlike the plaster mixture or the white cement that I have used before. I think the putty filler will not be enough to create many waves, so I will just make the maximum that it can. applying the filler and forming the waves, I will let it dry. Although the instructions on the packaging say it can dry after 2 hours, I will leave it for 24 hours to ensure it completely dries out. Let's hope for the best! And now the filler is dry. I immediately notice a lot of cracks, and the filler is almost peeling from the canvas. I think the application may be too thick, which could have caused cracking. In my previous video, where I created patterns on the canvas using the same putty filler, it didn't crack because I applied a very thin layer of filler on the canvas. Another reason might be that I let the filler dry in a warm temperature. Exposure to extreme temperatures, moisture, or direct sunlight can cause putty to crack. While it's been fun to try, I personally wouldn't use this filler again to make ocean waves. So far, the best mixture for me is using plaster of Paris. Of course, it wouldn't hurt for you guys to also try. So if you want to use filler for your artwork, I would suggest a few things. First, choose good quality filler. I got mine online for a bargain and it was so cheap. Second, avoid applying putty filler in extremely hot or dry conditions. You need to protect it from harsh environmental conditions during application and drying. Lastly, apply the putty in thin layers, allowing each layer to dry completely before adding the next. These are from my personal experience, but if you know any other reasons for this cracking, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.